Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your Google Keep as a planner. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Google Keep as planner, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application. Then after that, tap into this option at the bottom left corner. And from there, first of all, title your plan into here. Then after that, add listings into plan. It should include what things that your plans possibly consist. And after planning your things into this list option, you just simply have to tap into this reminder option and set the reminder for each and every plans into here. For example, I've set first reminder for 6 p.m. today, and for my second plan I'll set the reminder for 8 a.m. at tomorrow morning. This way you can easily set reminders and make list as plan. This way you can easily use Google Keep as planner. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.